Smart bird, you got there. Arrived here just 5 minutes before yourself.
My wife found this used cage at the local thrift store. We're gonna clean it out and paint it gold. We've had this plastic owl in our shed for years, so we're gonna clean it off and spray paint it white to look like Hedwig. I'm here with Hedwig. I just put a little hook on the underside of him so I can hang him up. Sorry, hang her up. It is a girl. I'm gonna do 2 coats on this one because I just want to have a thicker coat. Then we'll do the black spots and then we'll do a clear coat on top of that. We got some high gloss gold paint. Or gold flecks going everywhere. Oh, I know what I can do. Yes. I can just spin this bad boy. I'm actually making use of my next project that I haven't done yet. I'm kind of nervous now. We're gonna paint Hedwig. I'm not much of a painter, except wall painting or door painting, like the doors behind me.
Such a pity.
Browns and yellows, black for the spot, gray for the spots. A couple different paint brushes. As always, thanks for checking out this video on how to make Harry Potter's Hedwig. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're notified when we post our big unveiling of all of our Harry Potter decorations. We'll see you on the next one.